Hello, I'm Gary Waliszewski. I'm the manager for the Federal Systems Group for Smart Technologies. I'm going to take you through a short 2-minute tutorial about how to use smart interactive flat panel displays and smart Meeting Pro software to enhance the way that you conduct your training. So smart interactive flat panel displays are an interactive display system that gives you the ability to control all of your applications by a touch of a finger. So your finger becomes a mouse. We give you the ability to have all sorts of touch gestures so we can size information within an application. We give you the ability to rotate, and we give you the ability to manipulate just by using your fingers. What we also give you the ability to do is interact with content that's on your display. So we give you a set of tools to allow you to annotate directly into applications that you use on a daily basis. So most installations will use PowerPoint for their training methodology, and we give you the ability to annotate and control PowerPoint. So some of the things we also give you the ability to do is that we give you the ability to take an object and we can link to actually launch other applications or websites. So we've done that here. So I can actually touch this button here, and what's going to happen is that we're loading an application. Now what we also give you the ability to do is actually annotate directly over to these applications. So if you want to identify a part, we can do that. We can annotate into any application that you're using on your PC. What we also give you the ability to do is click here, and we can actually capture all that information that we've used and put that into our storyboard in the Meeting Pro software. So if we click through here to a blank page, what we're going to give you the ability to do as an instructor is to be able to write, organize, and distribute. So everything that I've written is an object. So if I wanted to, I can take the first object that I've written, move it anywhere within this page, or what I can do is actually move it into another page. What we also give you the ability to do is to take your handwriting and change it into text. So if you're a text keyboard-bound person, you have the ability to actually type directly into Meeting Pro from your keyboard. Now what we also give you the ability to do is that in your whiteboarding application is that what we can do is we can save this in any number of file formats. So we can save this as its standard Meeting Pro notebook file format. We can also save this as a PDF file, PowerPoint file, PNG GIF, or PDF file. We can also send this directly to all of your students through Outlook. So what we can do is anything that you write on the whiteboard in Meeting Pro can be saved as a file and distributed to your students right in the classroom session. We can actually toggle here to the desktop, and we can then go to our organizer. This organizer will give the instructor the ability to see everything that's running on their PC at the time and be able to place that into the screen. So in this case, if I wanted to run a PowerPoint presentation, I can just drag it over to the organizer screen and it comes up automatically. What we also give you the ability to do is to control your PowerPoint content. And we can do this directly through the macros that are built into the application. So we give you the ability to pick a pen color, add additional information directly into the slide. So some of the things that smart software gives you the ability to do is to annotate notes in digital ink. We can convert handwriting into text. You can organize ideas very easily, and you can put them into a storyboard fashion to be able to share with your students. We can inject ink into any application. So standard applications like your Microsoft Office suite of products. If you're doing distance learning, we can annotate directly into Microsoft Ink applications. And I'll show you in another minute how to be able to inject ink into PDF files. So as we go to our next page, you'll see the Meeting Pro interface and some of the things that will be able to give you the ability to enhance the way that you present your content with Meeting Pro software. So what we can do from here is if we wanted to, we can save all of our annotations directly into PowerPoint, and we've seen these here. These are embedded as objects, and now we have the ability to save this as a file and then share this with our students as well. If we wanted to call up a PDF file, we can go back to our organizer And we see PDF files listed here. We can again drag it up to our current screen and this loads up. And then it's easy to annotate directly into PDF files. All we have to do is pick our pen and start writing. And now you'll see that that ink is now associated with that PDF file. So these are some of the tool sets that Smart Technologies gives you as an instructor to be able to enhance the way that you present content to your students.